And welcome back, and it is the 10th of April for the Maths 5 a day. Let's go with the first question. Right, I have to say, if you missed yesterday's video, definitely check that one out. The first question yesterday was not very nice at all, but it was a nice question to do, not under exam conditions, but definitely a difficult question. However, today, not too bad at all, because this looks like a almost GCSE level simultaneous equation. So let's try and do it in one or two go, shall we? So I'm going to take the first equation and multiply that by 2, which is going to be 6x plus 22y is equal to 200. I'm going to take the second equation and rearrange it slightly. So 6x is still 6x. Take away 2y from both sides. Take away 28 from both sides gives me this. Then I'm going to take away my equation. So that's going to give me, well, 22 minus 2 is 24y. And 200 minus 28 is 228. These numbers aren't going to be very nice, aren't they? I don't think that divides. So 228, I'm on my calculator, divided by 24 is 19 over 2. Okay, right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these equations. Let's take this one here. And I'm going to rearrange this to x is equal to a third of 100 minus 11y. So in other words, I'm going to take my value, I'm going to do 100 minus 11 times 19 over 2, which is going to give me, again, I'm on my calculator, so times 11, 100 minus my answer, and divide by 3. Well, it's a relatively okay number, isn't it? So minus 3 over 2, which means my answers are x is minus 3 over 2, or y is 19 over 2. And that's it, question done. Next question. Right. Okay, this actually looks straightforward as well, doesn't it? So work out dy dx, I'm given an equation. So basically, can you differentiate? Bring down the power, so that's 15. Take away 1 from the power, which is 4. Next one, x to the 1, bring down the 1. Take away 1 from the power, goes away, or cancels out, or becomes 1, however you want to phrase it, which gives me minus 2. Not a terrible question at all. Next question. Okay, so next question's got two circles. I'm going to do what I normally do. So the centre of this one is 6, 1. Call that centre 1. And the centre of this one, call this centre 2, is equal to minus 3, 7. And the radius of this one is 3, and the radius of this one is 12. And then it says calculate the distance between the centres of the circles. So actually I just need the centres, don't I? So it's basically saying, what do I do to get from C1 to C2? Well, my x values go down by 9, and my y values go up by 6. So therefore the magnitude of that is going to be 9 squared plus 6 squared. I don't need the minus because the minus cancels in here because I'm squaring. So again, calculator out. So 81 plus 36 square rooted 117 square rooted, and it tells you that is 3 root 13. Now on a non-calculator exam, I'm sure that'll be fine. On a calculator exam, depending on what it says, maybe do 3 stick figures well, but read what the question wants. So here that's 10.8. Question done. Next and final question today. Sketch. Oh, today's been notably easier than the previous day, hasn't it? So sketch y equals tan x. Oh, okay. Now that's interesting. I think on the syllabus you're only supposed to do it between 0 and 360, but maybe I'm wrong. But either way, you should still know how to do the symmetry of the curves. When you're doing the tan curve, always note every 90 degrees. So that's going to be, it's telling me to sketch, so I do need to put some numbers on. So minus 90 minus 180. Then put your asymptotes in first and then sketch the graph. So the whole point of this question is you know how to sketch, so you need to do a good sketch. You can't just draw some rubbishy thing that says you know what to do. So anyway, my answer is going to look something like this, and that is question done. In fact, that is today done. Not too bad at all today. Definitely a bit easier than it was yesterday. Either way, like, subscribe, let me know how it went for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks all.